I recently did some work replacing that light assembly, and when I removed this, the clips were brittle and they broke. I still used them, but apparently they just kind of jostled free, all of them. So what I did is I bought some replacement clips. Okay. And the clips I got on Amazon are very similar to the ones that broke, although these ones seem to be better quality, to be quite honest. Just pop them in. And got one more clip to put in. Okay. And now it's secured. And in this case here, this clip is broken. It was already sticking out. I can easily replace that one as well. I much rather prefer these push button ones. I did notice that in taking this front cover off, a lot of these clips were just brittle. Absolutely brittle. And that might be over time because the car does have over 220,000 miles.